How you doing, friends? Welcome back. We're at Contemporary today. Was able to score a lunch reservation for this Steakhouse 71. Been hearing some pretty good things about it, so I thought we'd go in, check it out, and see how it is. So let's head on in. We got to try to find where it's at. I don't know where it's at in the building. And we got our reservations here in about 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're on the ground floor. So the same level we were essentially on outside, just the main lobby here. Come in the doors in the back, and it's right there. That's where the old Waves restaurant used to be. So I got our table here and looked at the menu. They had a lot of good things on the menu. It was kind of hard to choose with I was almost going to get the French onion soup, but decided to go with the crab cakes instead. It's got a couple of saltine crackers there, and we'll go ahead and bite into it and see how it is. Yeah, they're pretty good. That sauce has got kind of an interesting flavor I can't quite place. I don't know, it's kind of almost a cross between like tartar sauce and maybe like Thousand Island dressing or something, but not quite. I don't know. The crab cakes are good. Alright, so we got the main lunch course here. Got some waffle fries with Parmesan cheese on them. And the stack burger. So stack burger, it's got on there. It's got some bacon, onions, pickles, 2 smashed patties, a little bit of cheese. We'll see how it is. Well, there you have it, Steakhouse 71. It seems kind of strange that Steakhouse is in the Contemporary, but I kind of like it. I don't know, it was pretty good. The burger, I had no complaints with that. It was a little bit greasy, but outside of that, I mean, it had a good flavor to it. The 2 patties were a little small, but by the time you put 2 patties together, it equaled a decent sized burger. I did notice, and it's not a complaint really, just an observation, the patty that was on the top was more like medium well, and the patty that was on the bottom was almost more like a medium. But other than that, I mean, the bun itself, the bun was really soft and had a good flavor to it. So I would definitely recommend it. There was no complaints at all. I was a little bit busy, a little busier than I expected, but I just checked the park times of the Magic Kingdom today, and the park times, the wait times, let me rephrase that, the wait times for the rides are starting to creep back up. They've been pretty low here the last month and a half, 2 months, I guess. But they definitely are starting to creep back up, so that might be an indication you were getting closer to Halloween, coming into the holidays. So maybe there's more people staying on property here than there has been. But I still got a reservation. Maybe it's just because it's party of one, I don't know, but was able to get a last minute reservation, and I thought, well, what the heck, we'll slide on over and check it out and see how it is. Crab cakes were really good. I'm not sure, I mean, it wasn't bad. I'm not sure that the sauce that was with the crab cakes really went with the crab cake itself, but then again, being raised with Maryland blue crabs and steam crabs and the type of flavor that they generally have with the J.O. spice or the Old Bay, that's a totally different flavor than what that sauce was. So, you know, it wasn't bad, it was good, but I don't know that it really went, at least for my personal taste, I don't know that they went together all that great. But definitely a decent meal altogether. I think that the bill came to like $35 or something like that. So that's pretty good. Definitely recommend it. So there you have it, Steakhouse 71. Pretty decent. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. That helps out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe, and that'll keep you up to date for future videos. And we will see you all on the next video.